Mike, hey Mia, this garden looks amazing today, doesn't it? Mia, hi Mike. Yes, it's so peaceful and full of colors. I love coming here. Mike, same. The flowers look fresh. Do you see those pink ones over there? Mia, yes, those are hibiscus flowers. They bloom every morning. Mike, really? I didn't know their name. My favorite is the marigold. It's so bright. Mia, marigolds are easy to grow. My mom plants them at home, too. Mike, that's nice. Look, there's a squirrel running near the tree. Mia, oh, it's so cute. It's probably looking for food. Mike, I saw a butterfly near that rose bush. Do they live in the garden? Mia, butterflies visit gardens to drink nectar from the flowers. It's like juice for them. Mike, that's cool. So flowers help animals too? Mia, yes. Gardens are like small homes for birds, bees, butterflies, and even frogs. Mike, wow, I want to learn gardening now. It sounds fun. Mia, you should. I help my grandma water the plants every evening. It's relaxing. Mike, what do you do first? Mia, first, we pull out the weeds, then we water the plants. Sometimes we add compost too. Mike, compost? What's that? Mia, it's natural food for plants made from old vegetables and leaves. Mike, that's smart. Instead of throwing things away, you help plants grow. Mia, exactly. Nature gives us so much, we should care for it too. Mike, I'll ask my parents to help me start a small garden at home. Mia, that's awesome, Mike. We can plant sunflower seeds together. Mike, yes, and maybe we'll see butterflies there too. Mia, for sure. Let's meet here again next week and talk about our plants. Mike, deal. See you next weekend, Mia. Mia, bye, Mike. Don't forget your watering can.